Hello. Hello, everyone. Hello, everyone. If you can hear me, please let me know. We are going to start within 3 minutes. Welcome to Uniformation. Okay. Welcome to Uniformation. Hello, guys. Okay, good morning, everyone. Welcome to Uniformation live streaming. I am Mia. This is our first time doing live streaming. Also my first time. Yeah, I'm just so excited to have the chance to be here to chat with you guys. I know that many people are curious about us and have many questions like, what exactly does the Uniformation do? And why I never heard of it? What's the support website? Why I can't find them on the internet? So today I'm going to introduce our company and our printer GKone. So just feel free to ask any questions and leave your comments in our chat room. Okay, here we go. You can contact us through 3 ways: Facebook page, official website, and you can email us. We will provide support to you. Okay. About our company name is 中山华域远行 Electronic Technology Corporation Limited, founded 2016. We have been focused on 3D printing area, committed to providing high-end business use with 3D printers for product development and small batch production, and gains high approval from our clients. Last year, we just won the title of National High-Tech Expertise. Over the past 5 years, we've been so happy to see that more and more people are learning curable 3D printers. There are curious students, passionate geeks, professional engineers, and so on. Most of all, them are seeking innovative experiences. So to meet the needs of enterprises and individual users, in 2021, we decided to create a new brand. That's Uniformation. And then we thought about how to make 3D printing no more complicated, but make it easier to operate for beginners, more creative possibilities for experts. So the printer GKone was born, and the GKone related products comes out as well. Here's our GKone 10.1 inch 5K monochrome LCD printer GKone, and ultrasonic cleaner, washing machine, curing station, and also we have resins. We have PLA-based resin, water washable resin, and tough resin in stock on Amazon now. And recently, we just released this product, Uniformation Remover Tool. Hopefully, it will in stock maybe at the end of February. Okay. Certainly, in the future, we will continue to research and develop more simple, but higher precision and higher stability printers for our customer. Today, here. Let's get into the GKone printer. I will show you guys the tool kits. When you receive GKone, you will get these tool kits. Yeah. I will show you this. You will receive Uniformation GKone user manual. Here's some about our company information about GKone and some use tips. Also, this page, sorry, the reflection is too strong. This is about how to operate the touch screen. And this is our slicer user guide. Remember read it carefully before you decide to use the GKone slicer. This is really helpful. And technical test report. Each printer was tested rigorously before its approval for sales, and each printer got this test report. Okay. And you will get leveling test paper, USB drive, and FEP film. Also, the power supply, power cord, rubber scraper. Okay. Please wait a minute. Seems this is metal scraper and range, filters, pliers, tweezers, and also finally you will get this one, gloves. Well, that's all this all will in the package. Okay. Now let's have a closer look at GKone. As you can see, GKone is a flick-up cover design. It's very easy to open and easy. It's convenient to observe when you observe the printing process. Here is the USB port, 3.5 touchscreen, and switch buttons. And I will show you guys a closer look. Okay, I will turn on. Well, it's starting. Now, let's have a look at the screen, touch screen. This is select this icon. You will go to the home page. Then this one is clean for clean up. Lights off, exposure test, and information. Information, I will click this one. This is about GKone information. It's 4,920 by 2,880. It's a 5K. And you can see the build volume is 221.4 by 129.6 by 245 millimeter. It's a 10.1 inch. Okay, now get back to the home page. And here is the technical support. If you have any correction or problems when you during the usage, please contact us. We will reply you within 24 hours. Here, there's some information about our contact methods. Okay. Now I will show you guys the whole printer. Now I've introduced the disc printer. Just on the build plate, here's a use tips. We add this use tips just to prevent just to remind you when you use the printer, remember to clean it, clean the build plate and resin vat, so that you can print next time successfully. And this is 10.1. This is 10.1 build plate. Thank you. Yeah, this is GKone build plate. It's different. It's very different from most of printers in the markets. It's made of stainless steel. It's 130 by 220 millimeters. What's the biggest feature of this build plate? It's that you never gonna to level it. Do not you just go straight to print the test file when you receive GKone, and no alignment required even in the future use. So this, but no worries, because it still can ensure your printing stability. Yeah, here. Okay. The build plate is battery setting. Just print the test file once you got the GKone. It's really important, okay? Well, the next one is our resin vat. Okay. This is our mantle resin. Can you see that? Here's some words on it. The capacity is from 600 gram to 1,000 gram. But you should make sure each time you print, the capacity should be above 500 gram. Should be over 500 gram. Yeah. The next one is our NFEP film. This I want to introduce our NFEP film. It's imported, upgraded NFEP film. It's very different from the ordinary films. So what's the differences? I think many people will ask this question. It's quite durable and high temperature resistant. It was 4 times long lasting than ordinary films. To test this film's performance, the performance of this film, we print the rectangular columns in one position continually until the surface defects appear. So far, we've tested over 80,000 layers, and we are still testing it. It's not the final result. I will introduce the LCD screen. Okay, then I will introduce the LCD screen. Our LCD screen, I will show you guys the light source. This is our UV light source. Yeah, it's a vertical metric parallel light source. Higher uniform light emission will make sure your printing is more accurate. Yeah, it's really beautiful. Okay, let's see. I will get the lights on to show you. Okay, wait a moment. Show you guys the LCD screen. There are 40 units lights, UV lights. Okay. And I will also do an exposure test. When you receive the printer, no need to do leveling test, but you are supposed to do the exposure test. Just select the exposure test icon, then you will see. When it appears circles and rectangles, it means everything is normal. It's okay. You can go to start to print. One more time. Okay. Now I will take a look at our GKone slicer. When you open our USB driver, you will see our slicer in the USB drive. Just double click this one. If you just double click slicer 3D printing. Here we go. Then select your STL file, drag them into the, sorry guys, I just opened two slices. Then just select your STL files into the slicer. I prepared them before. Okay, they are all in. So first of all, you will see that in this slicer there are three patterns: simple, advanced, and expert. So what's the difference among this option? The simple, I will show here, print settings. The simple, just will show layer height, and advanced also. And Expert will show more settings. So usually the simple is the default patterns. It's the default mode. If you choose advanced and Expert, the more parameter settings will display and you can modify them. Let's come back to this STL files. Then I will arrange them in appropriate position. Most of models, we should rotate them to appropriate angles. I think this one should move to 45 angles. Yeah, because if you just drag them into the slicer and you don't rotate to appropriate angles, you probably will fail to plane them. Okay, now the biggest feature of GKone slicer is the standardization. What's the what's the standardization of GKone? Here I will show you. This is the layer height that you can. I would choose this one, and this is standardized, and also the resin. Some people may queries or have some corrections. Why all of them are seems just some numbers? Yeah, because these types of resin match with our resin. We just put them all in the profile. Later I will use this one, X13. It's a green PLA based resin. I will show you this resin. Here, can you see that? Yeah, here is some numbers. That's our resin type, which is matched with our GKone slicer setting. So get back to the slicer. And you just select layer height and resin type you use. If you use GKone's resin, then no need to reset exposure time and other parameters. And the third features of GKone is that GKone Upgrade the auto generate points function. It applies to most of printing models. Just select auto generate points. Now it's slicing the model. If you use other brand resin, then you need to reset the exposure time. But I still strongly recommend our resin because all of them just in the profile, which make everything more easier. It's really easier, especially for the beginner. Okay, one came out. Slice now. Okay, I just slice one. So now all of them will be sliced. It's generating support points. It seems it takes a time to wait. So I will show you the other parameter settings. This is simple. Supports head hollowing. But if you choose advanced or expert, more settings will come out. Material settings. Printer settings. And you can see the information about the number of pixels in X as it is 4,920. Y axis is 2,880. Display width, display height. Okay, let's go back to the still 45%, 46. Okay. Now the GKone only supports the Windows 7 and above system, but the good news is we are going to release a new slicer to compatible Mac version. Maybe in 3 months. That's a good news. So at that time, GKone slicer will have Windows version and Mac version. Okay, slicing finished. Finally, we got the. Yeah. After finishing slicing, remember to check the layers. Make sure there are no damage. Okay. Next, everything is ready. Export the file and save them to the USB drive. I will save them The export format is JXS, and I will give it a name. GKone. See? Still exporting. So just wait this moment, a second. Okay, exporting finish. Now I will insert the USB drive to my printer. Okay, please pay attention that the printer has to start and be fully operational before you plug in the USB. This is really important. If you forget if you plug in before the printer start, maybe the printer will fail to read the USB. Okay, let's insert the USB. Well, click on the photos icon located at the top of the screen. Here, go back to the page. Here, click this photo. Then the screen shows SDA1 and NET1. SDA1, this will open the USB drive in the GKone menu. And this is GKone test file. I just name it. This is what I need. Then select this file that I'm going to print. Click copy. This will transfer the test file onto the internal storage of the GKone. Just you need to wait for a minute or maybe 30 seconds. Yep, is the file copy finish. Okay. Make sure your files are in the NET folder. Click make sure. Okay. Then select. Yeah. Now the GKone test file are in the NET folder. It means it's stored in the printer. Now we can start to print it. Yes. And select this icon. And yes. Then, oh sorry guys. I forgot to pour the resin into the resin vat. It's my mistake. Please wait. So if you I will pour this. Okay. I will use This one, I just select in the GKone slicer, grade 13. Grade 13 PLA based resin. Now the printer is start to print. I will restart again. Yes, because I just forgot to put the resin. Now the printer is start to print again. This is X13 gray resin. It's a biodegradable PLA-based resin from Uniformation, which is extracted from corn and has no harm to health. It's eco-friendly resin. This resin finally can be converted to water and carbon dioxide with special treatment. It's a kind of like PLA plant-based resin. Well, there are also other types of resin available. For now, we have PLA-based resin, water-washable resin, tough resin in stock on Amazon. We will keep printing and we show you the printing performance. Okay, guys. So much for today. Tomorrow, we will continue to do live streaming to show how's the test file performance, to show how to clean it, cure it, and so see you guys tomorrow. That's so much for today. Hope you guys have a good day. Yeah, this is Uniformation channel, and I am Mia. Thank you for your watching. See you guys tomorrow. Bye. Okay, just one more thing. Remember to follow us, our Facebook page and official website. Or if you have any question, just contact us. Anyways, I will show you guys one more time. This is our Facebook page, official website, and email.